Hey guys, it's Dave and Mike, Ghetto Van Adventures. And on a test we were doing on a battery booster pack, I flattened my battery, so don't laugh, Mike. I flattened my battery so we could boost it and I could show you how it works. Well, when I flattened it, I wrecked my battery. So I have to put another battery in. So I thought, you know what, this is a good time to show you guys how to change a battery. Anyway, I'll just show what I'm taking apart and we'll show you the whole thing so it doesn't drag on. Anyway, there's a little nut right there. It's a 13 mil on this one. It's the hold down bolt and you take that off. So okay, I'm not going to keep cranking on that one. I'm just going to show you. I'll get it out and show you. Then there's this. Negative first. Always do the negative terminal first. So this is a 10 mil. Okay, so you just back that out and the negative comes off. Actually, this will come off real quick. Now I'll tell you one thing about the battery. See? There you go. Negative's off. Always do the negative terminal first and then the positive. Okay, we'll come back when I'm pulling the battery out. Battery in.
That was easy.
Yep.
Now what?
Now I'll put everything in and we'll show it together as a completed unit.
So what are you doing now?
Tightening the hold down clamp. Okay?
Yep.
And this one, I have a side terminal on this just because I have some accessories. So, sure that's on. And tight. And then it's just a matter of putting the battery cables on. That's one. Secondary in. And you can clean your battery cables too. I've cleaned these. They're just coated with a corrosive. And then we'll do it for the negative cable. I said we'll do it for the negative cable.
If you get the child-proof top off. Easy.
I guess maybe I could have taken those off before I put the battery in there. There, and it's in. You think I should start it up for
Let's see if it works, because last time
Well, hold on. Well, last time with the lights went cuckoo. I gotta get the keys. Pause that for a second. And in case some people didn't notice, right there, that side terminal. Some batteries will have that, some won't. That right there, that's positive. There's the negative there. Just leave the cap on it. So if you need a few extra. Now this is a bigger battery than what normally comes in. It's a Group 78 DT dual terminal. It has 800 cold cranking amps, 115 minutes reserve. And it's good too because if you're out in the middle of nowhere, you want to make sure that your battery holds some charge. So let's give it a try. Oh yeah. There you go, guys. Boys and girls, we have a battery that starts the vehicle. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. Right, Mike?
That's right.
Yeah. Show us some love.
Subscribe.
Yeah, we need subscription. And this battery wasn't cheap, and we did it for you guys. So have a good day. Safe travel.